In this video, we will be talking about the Afen blockchain, currently priced at 0.0022 cents. Let me know what the price is when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from this point? The volume is up 129% at 2.4 mil, and you can buy the token at currently at MEXC, which is the best place to actually buy crypto in general, and they're actually hosting a Tesla giveaway. If you sign up using my link in the description down below, you can participate, register, all the jazz. Check it out. Before we start, smash the like button, or else smash you subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers, and that's not gonna happen if you guys do not go in the description. Above the description, click the red subscribe button. When you do that, the benefit is you will learn about the hottest, newest cryptocurrencies first before anyone else, and I guess that's a good thing. Let's talk about the one, the only cryptocurrency that you want to know about today, and that's Afen. Yeah, that's how it's called. Forgot where this was. Here it is. Got a bunch of things open. By the way, this video is not financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. Well, so much for the website. That just doesn't work. Refreshing, giving it another shot, doesn't work. I'm not gonna be buying any. Website doesn't work. So yeah. Everyone's saying up, but I won't be buying any. Website does not work. Not good. Hopefully they fix that. Let's see the price, the chart. Is there anything interesting going on? Right here, no, it's dumping, and it's dumping hard. I won't be buying any. It broke support in the side. It's not working. That's a bad sign. Hopefully, and there's pretty much no volume in the last few hours. Yeah, I won't be buying any of these tokens. That's just my opinion. Let me know yours in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.